Good morning, YouTube friend. Happy Monday to you. Filming quickly just a view of my Whirlpool washing machine. Here is the inside of the tub once again with the fabric softener dispenser on the agitator. Tub is pretty good. Steel holds up pretty well. Agitator at the bottom, not the wash plate, but this agitator is permanent. It's not the one where it comes off, but it's permanent. I am going to show you a quick view of I'm going to wash a few blue jeans and a few shirts in one wash, and I'm going to use my jean cycle for the pants. So it gets the jeans pretty clean. The wash action once again is pretty good on this machine. I'm pretty satisfied with it. Just we'll see how much water it fills up with before where it says a full load. Okay, so here I am just putting in some jeans and some tops that I have. I try to even everything out. This way the tub don't knock and bang. Okay, I'm still a little half asleep this morning. It's early Monday morning. I'm trying to get used to the time change. Okay, so let's see what we have. I'm trying to check the pockets. This way I don't have any change flying around in the washing machine. A few times I had pennies in here and they were at the bottom of the wash plate, and I had some job getting the change out of here. And I wanted to go into the workmanship of the machine. Okay, so another. And so I have trying to hold the camera steady while I do this. Okay, so I have 3 pairs of jeans going in, so it's, I don't want to make this too heavy of a load. So that's 3 pairs of jeans. Sorry about that. Trying to be ambidextrous, but it's very hard. Okay, 3 pairs of jeans. Now I'll put my detergent in. So I had the other clothes. That's 3 pairs of jeans. 2 tops. I usually put the detergent in first at the bottom, but I'll throw it in there. And I love using the Tide because it gets the clothes really smelling clean. I go between Tide and On the Hammer. Okay, there's this. Another pair of jeans that I almost left out. And as I'm doing this, I'm going to show you once again. On this machine I have the softener on the dispenser of the agitator on top. And here I have my bleach dispenser, which I use bleach for basically all my white clothes, like white socks, white towels, white t-shirts. Those I wash on white on hot, which is set for hot water wash. This cycle I'm using the jean cycle, and it should be set on a warm setting. Okay, now I'm going to get my detergent. Okay, now I'm throwing my detergent in. I go between Tide Oxy Boost I use, or the Tide Halogenic, and it's pretty good. It gives the clothes good scent and takes away germs. So what I will do is I will start the machine up, I will let it fill, and then I'll come back and show you how much water is in this machine, which says for a full load. Now I think this machine will probably take up to an hour to wash. I'm gonna time it. I put in my Downy dispenser softener, which I like to use. And I usually dilute it with water because it clogs up in the agitator. See, I usually throw some water in. I don't have a slop sink in here. I miss having a sink in the laundry room, which I don't have, so I use bottled water just so this stays unclogged. Okay, so now I'm going to close the lid. Now I will choose my jean cycle and it should be on a cool setting. I have it, fabric softener, and also what do I have it on? Deep water. So now it's sensing, so I'm gonna push to start. Now the tub starts to rotate, I guess, to even out the clothes, and then the water will start to go in. So basically all the machines today operate on this, have this same sensing function. And I guess that's to prevent the tub from knocking and banging later on. So here I have my cycles once again on this machine. I have heavy duty, jeans, active wear, normal, delicates, my bulky items, which I generally use for sheets once in a while, and towels I use for my towels, and drain and spin if you want to drain out the water and spin it. And here's my clean washer cycle once again, which I usually clean with the tabs, or I throw bleach and vinegar in if I don't have the wash tabs. And once again, it's made by Whirlpool. Pretty satisfied with this machine so far, and that's it. So I'm gonna come back, I'll show you how much water this machine actually fills up with, what it says a full load. I'll be back, you two. Sorry for the noise of the dryer in the background.